Your goal is not in her.
Hey ladies, the unit we are reviewing today is by Sensationnel, and it is one of their Empress lace wig, and it's a lace edge. So this wig is called Rihanna, and the color is DX2633. This is the box that it comes in. You can see the box. And part of this collection, there's a couple of them. It's a couple wigs on the back of the box, and it's supposed to be like a two-way L part. And I'm thinking that, yeah, it looks like you can cut it and pull some of your hair out. So if you get a natural color, or if you or if your hair is the texture of the wig, then you can cut open the L part and pull your hair out and blend it with the wig. It says that it is safe for heating, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is cut and blended hair, and it has a hand-tied lace parting. So this is the care card that comes along with it. It pretty much looks like the box. These are all the colors that it come in. So if you don't want to keep the box, you can just keep this. And looks like it gives you instructions on here. Let me focus that. It gives you instructions on how to cut it open and how to wear it in that way. Okay, this is the wig here. As you can see, it kind of goes up in the back and it comes down, something like this one here. And if you're interested in this one, I will link it below. This is also a part of the bob series, summer bob series, and it pretty much just comes the same way. It's an angled cut. I did go in and I put a dark root on this. As you can see, I just used some of my black spray and put a dark root on it. I don't really like it that much. I think I should have just left it like that, but it is, I mean, it's okay for now. So I'm going to put it on and show you how it looks so you can see how long it is and where it sits at and all that good stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, this is the wig, and as you can see, this wig lays a lot flatter than the last one. And the way this wig is, because you can cut it open, you get a comb here, you get a comb here, and then so you get two combs on the parting area, and you get two combs on the side, and you get a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So let's get into it. This here, I went in and I cut a little bit there. I just cut it a little bit, and then I added the dark root, and that's because this unit is made to come directly in your face, and I didn't want to look like Cousin It, just a shorter version of it. I wasn't here for that. So so you can do a couple things with this bang. You can go in and you can trim it to your face, which I only did it to the bottom, and I'm gonna put a curl in here. Or you can take it and you can slick it down like so, put it behind your ear and bring it out like that. So this side to me is perfect. I like the way this side is. I like the way that the back is. This side here, it's not heavy. It's just that it falls funny. So it depends on how, you know, you like to wear your hair. So if you wear it like this with it behind your ear, that would work. And then you would still get, you know, a good look. So I like that. Or you can take it from behind your ear and you could you know, curl it backwards away from your face. give it this look, which is the way I was wearing it, or I wore it when I put it on and styled it. And then I just sprayed the bottom of it. Like I say, this comes real flat. So I don't have my braids flat at all under here, but because of the way the wig and how it's made, it comes real flat. So let me show you the hairline. The hairline on it is just a regular hairline. I did take the lace off of it already. So if you wanted to, you could make edges, or you could take some of your edges out and put those with it. I'm sure if you want it, you can go in and give it some height. Tease it from the bottom, and you could give it a little bit of height, because like I keep reminding you, or keep saying, it is pretty, you know, straight down. And to give it some height, I would just go in here and tease it up in here, and put some spray in there, and put the blow dryer and give it a little bit of height. But I really like this unit. I think it's real cute. The hair texture on this unit is kind of silky. It's not as yucky as Histina, the last one that I had on. It's not as coarse, or yeah, it's not as coarse as that one. So this one here will be for someone who doesn't want that much hair, because Histina is thick, as you can tell. It's like, it's thick hair. This here is very light, it's very thin, but it's the perfect density for summer, and it looks good to me thin like this. And in the way they cut it with the bob, I just needed something to go back on this side personally for me. But all in all, it's a real cute unit. It's big head friendly also. I mean, it fit over my braids. I'm amazed at how flat it is, considering my braids are not that flat, but my braids are going backwards. So maybe that's why it's flat like that. But this unit is really cute, really sexy. It's a great everyday. You can wear it every day also. It's a good everyday unit. I didn't really look at the back. I need to look at the back and see, but I see that it's short back here. So if you ladies are interested in this bob, I will leave all the information in the description box below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I bring videos a couple times a week, 2, most of the time 3 times a week. And if you decide to share this video, which feel free to do so, tag me in it. If it is Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, it'll be Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah. That's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah. That's a vibe.